Looking to enhance your stories to better align with the unique requirements and use cases of your business? You can leverage scripting to go beyond the default functionality of stories, transforming a standard dashboard into a highly interactive, customized, and robust platform that meets the needs of you and your team. This is the first in a series of videos that demonstrate some of what you can achieve with scripting. If you're not already familiar with how to build a standard story, you can refer to the How to Create Stories and Visualize Data video in this playlist for more information. In this example, you have a basic story that contains a chart and a table, a logo banner at the top, and a couple of text widgets. The Outline tab of the left side panel lists all the widgets included in your story, along with their name and type. Make sure that your widgets are named clearly so you can reference them later in your scripts. Once the basic elements are in place, you can enable Advanced Mode to begin adding custom widgets, logic, and functionality to your story, provided you have the correct role and access rights. Advanced Mode gives you access to additional widgets beyond the default options. On the Outline tab, additional scripting options are also available. Most importantly, you can now add scripts to your widgets. A subset of JavaScript is used to execute code in the browser. If you're already familiar with JavaScript, keep in mind that not every function is supported here. To understand the full range of scripting capabilities you can perform, the Optimized Story Experience API Reference Guide documents all the objects, functions, and events that you can use to enhance your stories. One example of what you can achieve with scripting is to add dynamic text to your story, displaying system information such as the user's name and the current date, rather than a static message. To do this, you can apply a script to the onInitialization event of the page so that the scripts you write will be called when the page finishes loading. In the script editor of the onInitialization event, you can create a variable to store the name of the user by declaring the variable using the keyword var and giving the variable a unique name. You can then assign a value to the variable. Using the application object, you can call the getUserInfo method to return information about the user. As you type your script in the editor, you can use the code completion feature to suggest options to help you complete the string by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+space. In this example, you want to use the getUserInfo method. After calling this method, you can retrieve the display name property using code completion to view suggestions, and then complete the statement with a semicolon. Next, you can create another variable to store the current date. And assign the variable a value by constructing a new date object, which returns the current date. Any errors in your script appear in the information panel, which provides you valuable feedback that can help you identify any mistakes in your script that need to be fixed. Once your variables are defined, you can replace the content of the text heading by calling the applyText method on the widget. The method accepts a parameter that has a data type of string. The username variable is also of type string, which means that you can concatenate it with another string inside the parameter to create the heading. Next, you can replace the content of the TextDate widget by calling the applyText method again. The current date variable is not of type string, so you must perform a conversion on the variable using the toDateString method. Now that you've completed writing your script, you can save your changes. You can then view the story in view mode to see the logic you've defined using scripting. Notice how the text objects now show the actual username and current date. To learn more about how to apply scripting capabilities to your stories, check out the other videos in the series and the links in the description, and try it for yourself today.